Hello and happy Tip Tuesday. My name is Mike Latzy, and today I want to talk about a feature we've added in version 13.0.18 that gives us some enhanced ability for managing our employee or our employee group assignments to our work orders or our work order line items. If you're creating work orders, managing work orders inside IndySoft, you've likely spent some time here under the pending work tab looking at all of your open jobs and the work that needs to be performed. So in previous Tip Tuesdays, we've talked about being able to group select items, right click, assigning selected items to employees. This is a one at a time type operation. So if I had multiple employees to assign, I'd need to kind of repeat that step for each. The same goes with employee groups, where I can only assign one employee group at a time to my line items here, and as well as up in the header of our work orders as well. Same concepts here, right? Assigning selected employees or employee groups. Now, in 13.0.18, we've added assign employees to selected items, which brings up a different dialog here. And let me show you down on these items. So if I open this up, it shows me that all of these assignments are currently existing on these items. So the way this reads is work order 376, line 1, 2, 3, and 4 of our work order. So if I needed to manipulate these, remove assignments, add assignments, this is the dialog to do that. I've got options here for enabling groups if I want to be able to assign existing employee groups as well. And then the options here are either replace all existing assignments on these line items and reassign to everyone that I have selected here, or add to any existing assignments. So if others are assigned to those line items, those do not get replaced. We just add the additionals here. So assignments are meant for just simply providing a kind of a marker for your technicians that if they were logging in here to the pending work tab and trying to look at what they should be working on today, that would be the intent for assigning work, is allowing those technicians to focus strictly on what they should be working on. Otherwise, it's a matter of, viewing all open items and picking and choosing what to work on. There's another nice tool that is in our grid that maybe is not so apparent, but in the work order header or the line item grid here, you can hit Control F as well, and this will actually search any exposed column, any field in our grid here. So one nice search might be show me all line items for scales, and then you can see that the grid is then filtered, and every line item that has at least one column that contains scale then is showing. And maybe I use that to say I've got a guy that's perfect for doing these scales, and I'm going to go and let's actually double click on these to clear those out. And I'm just going to simply add Gus in here, and I'm going to replace all those assignments, and Gus is now my guy for scales. So could be a nice useful tool for kind of managing your workloads and getting those technicians to see what they need to focus on. Thanks for watching and have a great day.